Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to draw and paint this beautiful chili using gouache. I'm using a 300 GSM gouache book and I'm going to be drawing out this particular chili. It's more like a curved triangle and that becomes really easy for you to draw if you break it down into shapes. Once it's drawn, I'm going to use a kneaded eraser, remove all the excess lines and make it look lighter, because even though we are using gouache, which is generally an opaque medium, there are very high chances that your pencil marks are going to be seen through. The first thing that I'm going to do is use a really nice yellow to create my entire background. I'm using a round brush over here and a fairly watery texture of the background yellow color, which I'm using to fill this space. Once the background is ready, I'm going to mix white and green to create the top part of the chili. In gouache, it's a lot of fun to use the medium to your advantage. So here, although an original chili will have a slightly brighter green, I've added a little bit of white over here to give a nice contrast. I'm going to use a slightly darker green to add in some details on top of this. I'm now going to use some red to add to the body of the chili, and we can use a slightly darker red to add the shade. Now if you do not have various shades of red, there's nothing to worry. You can just use a little bit of brown with red, or you could add a dot of black along with your red to create a slightly darker shade. Once you add in your darker shade, you just need a little bit of water in your brush to blend in the colors together. You can also add a little bit of red right next to the darker red. That will also help you to blend the colors. We'll add a few finishing touches with darker green and our chili will be ready. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial today of this chili using gouache. And if you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel to see more content regarding art. Thank you.